So here we are. This is a 2001 Camry, Toyota Camry. It reminds me a lot of my Volkswagen Jetta with the setup. But from the video, it's a lot easier to do the timing belt. It looks easier. This needs to be replaced. This is an engine mount. I need to find another one of these. And the shocks need to be done, but I don't have, well, one thing at a time. So the timing belt is going to get done right now. The oil pump gasket's going to get replaced. We have to drain all the fluid. So I'm going to drain the fluid. Going to jack up the car. Last time jacking up the car, yeah, it didn't go very well. These studs broke off. I know how to replace studs now. It's not really that hard. But I paid a mobile mechanic to come over here and to do this, because I was, yeah, it was already late. So it's early in the morning now, so hopefully I could get this all done. And before I get started, we're gonna disconnect the battery, and then we're going to drain the fluid. The oil, look at the oil, hasn't been changed for quite a few months, so the oil needs to be changed, but I need to drain the oil anyways. So I'm going to try my best to show you a little bit of what I'm doing, little by little, just to give you an idea if you're going to do it yourself. So safety first. Unplugging the battery is a safety issue for yourself and for the vehicle. Got the wheel off. Brand new lugs, lug studs, and Well, I'm looking under here. Supposedly, all that oil right there, I see the CV. The CV joint probably needs to be replaced. There's a lot of oil under here, and it was suggested that is probably the oil pump gasket. Okay, I'm just recording how the belt goes. Looks like a big circle. Is there a picture of the belt? Usually the engine has a picture of the belt diagram, but not here. So this alternator has to be out of the way to get to the timing belt. So it's pretty much out of the way now.
I'm now saying to you, the Attorney General of Pennsylvania, you're probably committing or about to engage in a crime because you're saying.
Okay, brand new dog bone engine mount. All you need is a 14 millimeter. So that's all put back together. All I have to do is put the alternator back on and the belt back on, and we could be, and the oil. Don't forget to put the oil. Well, after being here for a couple hours, I noticed on top of the timing belt guard right here, there was a sticker that said the timing belt was done at 106,000 miles. So I got to refer to the manual and see what increments that's supposed to be done. Because, make a long story short, I didn't want to deal with this pulley. See this pulley? I can't get it off. I don't have the tools, I don't have the skills, so I'm just gonna leave it. And I might pay for it to get done. The perils of DIY, or DIY, do it yourself. So that's it.